So in this project, we're going to look at the figure element and the Figcaption element. These are new to HTML5. They didn't exist before, and there are ways that we could use previous existing elements to do the same thing. But we really like the figure element and the Figcaption element because it allows us to be a little more precise with our CSS styling. Before you would have to, if you wanted a selector, you would have to address the image, but now you can address the figure element which contains the image. Let's open up a blank document and let's save it in, let's save it in our shared chapter 4 folder, but let's share it in just that root folder. So we just need to be in that chapter 4, whatever yours says. Mine's going to be a little different than yours. And let's save it as HP 4-6.html. Okay, so we are going to use our shortcut to get that template in. So exclamation point and tab. And let's give it a title of Tropical Island. That's where I wish I was right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and insert our picture. No, let's just do it the easy way. We're going to go to the body section and insert a figure. Now this figure element is just going to contain our image. So we still have to do our image tag inside that figure element. So we're going to do image src, and then I put a picture in your folder called myisland.jpg. We're going to set the alt text to tropical. Well, gotta spell tropical, right? Island. Set our width to 640. Our height to 480. Okay, let's take a quick look in the browser at what we have so far. So the image tag in and of itself doesn't do, the figure tag doesn't do anything really. It just allows us to configure with our CSS to precisely get to this image with our CSS. And then below that, but we're still going to be inside of our figure, we're going to do a Figcaption. The Figcaption tag will be a caption for the image. We want it to say Tropical Island Getaway. Did I spell tropical right? Surely I did. If I didn't, sorry. Okay, now let's refresh our page and we have something like that. Okay, now let's work with our CSS to make this look a little better. So in our head section, let's add a style section. And inside our style tags, let's have the selector be the figure, so we can precisely identify that figure, which also contains the Figcaption. And we're going to set the width to 640 pixels. We're going to add some padding of 5 pixels. And then we're going to set a border. So we're going to do border, and remember 3 values for the border: the size, the type, and the color. Oh, side note, I may not have told you guys this. So if you have a hexadecimal value that is 6 of the same thing, so black, for instance, is #0000000, you can shorten that to just 3, okay? There's actually a way, I'll go over that in a future tutorial. Okay, and then let's add a CSS rule for our Figcaption, and we are going to text align center, which should align our text within that figure element, and change our font family to Papyrus Fantasy. Okay, let's see what that looks like. All right, so the figure, because that Figcaption is inside the figure, we were able to almost create, and you could almost create like a Polaroid effect. In future chapters, we're going to learn how to transform these images so that you could skew them, make them look like they're kind of sideways or different things like that. So that is the figure element and the Figcaption element.